What's going on, Average Dad fans? Welcome back to another video, and for regular subscribers to this channel, this video is actually slightly different. This is not anything to do with tech, drones, phones, speakers, all of that stuff. This is actually part of the reason I set up the channel in the first place. I had called it Average Dad because I consider myself the average dad. I excel at nothing. Not being self-deprecating, I'm just average. So I initially started this channel to do some fitness, tech videos, just random everyday dad stuff, I guess. But as the UK lockdown progressed, my fitness took a real decline, my motivation, mental health, just got a bit down, just got a bit sick of it. I've been working from home for the past 13, 14 months, as most of you are. I'm not looking for sympathy, I'm just kind of telling you why I started the channel. So I started the channel in November last year, so about 5 months ago. Really just looking to kill some time, distract myself from the kind of monotony and boredom of everyday lockdown life. And it was ironically at that point, because I started the channel off, you can check back and see the first ever video was a Navy SEAL fitness test challenge. Really enjoyed it, but it was almost after that point, not long after that, I stopped all the fitness. The gyms had closed again. I have weights in the garage I just wasn't using. I would run normally 3, 4, sometimes 5 times a week. Anything up to like 25 miles a week. That completely dipped. You're looking if I was doing like 10, 12 miles. So I decided, do you know what, something needs to change. And with the lockdown coming to an end, hopefully soon, or certainly the restrictions easing, and obviously the usual thing, summer's coming. So what I want to do is start a 12-week plan for myself as far as nutrition. Fitness for me, like running and lifting weights, is an ongoing, it's a lifestyle for me. I enjoy doing it. Nutrition's always been somewhere that's let me down. So what I've done is I've ordered from Muscle Foods. This is not an ad, this is not a sponsor, but I've got their 12-week summer slimming plan. So what I want to do is talk to you about the plans I have for the next 12 weeks and tell you how I'm going to document it. And yeah, I really want to try and make this as kind of interactive as possible, so I need your help for that. So stay tuned, roll the intro, and I'll tell you more. So, as I mentioned, I want to try and make this as interactive as possible. So if I have any subscribers just now that are interested in fitness or nutrition, or just generally trying to improve that aspect of their life, then comment down below what you want to see from my journey. So there's the usual things. I will be posting up weekly updates of weight, most importantly kind of inches. A lot of people fall into the trap of weighing themselves in the scales, then they start beasting the gym for the first time in however long, and their weight's staying the same or even going up, and they get disheartened, demotivated. Well, that's just not what you should be doing. If you start to lift weights, some of you may know this, weight's going to gain. Muscle is generally about 3 times heavier than fat, so if you start to lift, do some strength training, you're going to build muscle, and it can happen quite quick. People are actually shocked as to how quick you can build muscle, particularly if you've done it in the past. It's that muscle memory thing. So don't be disheartened if your weight goes up. Don't look at the scales, don't do numbers. I'll do mine weekly, but I'm not focused on that. What I'm focused on for me is recovery time after exercise, so how quick my heart rate gets down. My heart rate has been as low as 41 BPM in the past when I was fairly, I'd say, super fit. It's now up to about 58, which is still actually quite a good heart rate, but I want to try and get mine back down into the 40s. So that's one of my goals. One of my goals is to get down into the 40s. Nutrition is a big gap in my life, particularly the last year. It's been convenience, and just to show you, the fridge is right here. It is far too easy to pop to the fridge. I'm not doing that. I'm up in the office, I shouldn't be going to the fridge. So this is part of the reason behind the muscle food thing. On their website they've got different plans. I've gone for the 12-week summer slimmer plan. Now I don't want to fit in a bikini, I just want to work on nutrition. So what they do is they allow you to select how many calories you can have in a day. So quick bit of information, men GDA, so general daily allowance, is typically around 2,500 calories, and for women it's 2,000 calories. I'm trying to do a 1,000 calorie deficit. So I've ordered 1,500 calories worth of food per day. That consists of 3 meals and 3 snacks. I'll open the box and I'll show you in a bit what's came with that. Price wise, it was $69.99 per week for 6 days. So that's 6 times 3 meals and 3 snacks. Do the maths. So that's pretty good. You get £10 off with your first order, and you're not tied into it for the 12 weeks. You can cancel at any time with no charge, but it's £60 for the first week and £70 for the remaining 11 weeks. What you also get as part of that summer slimming plan is an online fitness kind of coach, but it's not a one-to-one thing, but there's a plan there's a calendar. So you start off day 1 with doing your fitness test, and then you get workouts to do as the month goes on. After your first 6 or 7 weeks, you move on to phase 2, where it ups the exercise. You'll do another fitness test, taking you to the 12 weeks, where ultimately you've done all the workouts, you've stuck to your diet, hopefully, that'll be my big problem, stuck to the diet, and at the end of it all, hopefully you've achieved your goal. And again, my goal is to lose weight. A lot of people that go to Muscle Food's website, their goal is to gain weight. I don't find it hard to gain muscle. A lot of people are going to hate me for that, but I really don't. I can pack on. I've never had a protein shake. I don't know if I've got any pictures of when I was fairly fit. If I do, I'll pop them up here, as embarrassing as that would be. So yeah, that's my goal. So let's get into the box and show you how Muscle Foods prepare the meals and what you have to do with them. And let's start this 12-week journey together, friends. So, let's get the box open and see what we've got. I'm liking the top of the box because I can see some snacks. Snacks are always good. Good to say that. So, here's what we've got in the box. Okay, so here we go. What's in the box? As I mentioned, 3 snacks per day and 3 meals per day. So we've got some healthy crisps. These look good. Dark chocolate snacks. Now you'll notice the main thing here is portion size. So as we get rid of all the snacks here, Muscle Foods work with a lot of different brands, and again, Muscle Foods do most of their foods really high in protein. You can get packs of meat, you can get hundreds of things. Now let's get into the main thing. Okay, so I've unboxed everything. So as you've seen, everything came in a box. All the chilled and frozen or refrigerated stuff came here with lots of ice bags. So, just to show you, there is a boatload of food here, and again, all that was £60 for the first week. So, you'll be wondering, what do you get for this? Let me just adjust that camera. What do you get for this? Well, as I mentioned, you get your 3 main meals. So we've got here Oh, that's that reggae jerk chicken, so that's the Levi Roots. Now in there you get everything you need, so the jerk chicken comes with the spices, all the veg, all fresh, and I'll put it down here, a chicken breast. Okay, so that's one meal. After that snack, maybe you'll have a protein pudding. For breakfast, some pancakes with, as I mentioned, snack. So you get your breakfast, morning snack, lunch, afternoon snack, dinner, evening snack. So I like it, and all of that is 1500 calories. Between 15 and 1800 I put, but the average was 1563 calories. Again, it tells you this on the website. Properly good. So just to get my first meal out the way. Okay, so for example, tomorrow I am going to have maple pancakes. And then in the morning, after I've done a run or worked out, I'll have a cookies and cream bar. Then for lunch, I'm going to have a high protein sunshine chicken pot. Pop it in the microwave. Then for my afternoon snack, I think I'll just have a wee bag of pork puffs. And at night I'm going to have that jerk chicken. Again, the chicken breast comes here, veg, lime, everything you need, a bit of bread in there as well. So it's not all protein, there are some carbs in there too. And then after that I'm going to have this protein pudding. This is a salted caramel protein pudding. All that is around 1500 calories, and you just do that every day. Now every day I've ordered something different. So this one here is a satay chicken pot. Pop it in the microwave, easy peasy. I've got a fresh cod fillet, pepperami snacks, porridge for breakfast one day. I mean, the choices are endless on the website, to be honest. Lots of different types of lunch. So a sausage and bean for breakfast one day, sausage, potato and bean pot, and all these things. Anything that's in the pot, you just microwave. Obviously there are things that you will need to cook. And anything needs to be refrigerated, it'll tell you, but it's in bags when it needs refrigerated, bags or pots. And for a bit of a cheat on day 6, I plan to have a buffalo chicken pizza. So this is something I wanted to talk about as well. A lot of people think a diet means you have to restrict everything. I can't have any carbs, certainly no chocolate, snacks, anything like that. Well, you'll see my journey, but you can see here just little chocolate bites, there's the protein bars. The key is not to overeat. What I do, and I'm pretty sure what most of you will do, is overeat. So for example, even when it comes to the pizza, this pizza's 550 calories, and what would that be, like a 7-inch? But how many of you there could eat a 10, 12, 16-inch pizza to yourself and would do at 2000 calories? That's the thing, it's portion size. Now this for lunch with a wee snack, I'd probably double that, to be honest, if I was cooking it. Same with dinner. It's all about portion size and control and balanced. Every single lunch or dinner comes with most of your macros, if not all your macros, your carbs, your sugars, your fats, and then your nutrients, vegetables. Every main meal I have here has vegetables attached to it, with lemon, peas, whatever. And when we're talking crisps, we're not talking like fully fat McCoy's steak crisp, we're talking light, baked crisps. So I'm looking forward to doing this with you, ideally. So if any of you are interested, I'll pop the link down to Muscle Food's website below. Start your 12-week plan with me. If not, follow my journey. And yeah, I'm excited to get started. Get some motivation back. Thanks for watching, and I'll update you again soon. Bye bye.